Today I'm going to toast the holidays with this delicious cocktail made with eggnog and Baileys. This cocktail starts with just 3 ingredients: Baileys Irish cream, vodka, but we're using whipped flavored vodka, as well as, of course, some eggnog. Now, you also need to think about if you want to make a decorative rim. I'm going to use agave syrup as well as a mixture of nutmeg and brown sugar to make a sugar rim. I also like to kind of garnish a little bit with some cinnamon sticks, some whipped cream. Oh, and be sure to keep that nutmeg handy because we'll sprinkle some of that on top too. So start with the brown sugar, and the amounts I'm giving here are approximate. This is not a precision kind of a thing, as you can tell from how I'm measuring. Just a little bit of brown sugar and nutmeg. Spread this all out on a small plate, and then on a separate small plate, use that syrup and just kind of make a circle. Then take your glass and just dip it in that circle of the syrup to make a nice sticky rim. And then once you have that, you use that stickiness to give that sugar something to stick to. And look at what a lovely rim that makes. I'm going to do the same thing with this coupe glass just to show you how it looks in a different shaped glass. It's really the same process. Just get the rim all nice and coated with the sticky syrup, and then dip it really well into that brown sugar mixture and coat it around. Sometimes if you want a thicker coat, you can tilt it or do whatever to make it a little bit thicker, but for the most part, this just makes a lovely rim. Then we start measuring out our cocktail ingredients. Now, I really like these shot glass sized measuring cups. You can tell how many ounces you're putting in of each ingredient, and then I just reuse the shot glass for all 3 ingredients. Put them in an ice-filled shaker and cover that and shake it, and then it's all set to go into your glass. You can see my syrup started to drip a little bit down the side of this, but I think that's kind of part of the charm. Feel free to put an outrageous amount of whipped cream on here, some nutmeg, and a cinnamon stick. And yes, I haven't forgot that other glass. This is another helping that's going to get the same treatment, and this is ready to go. This is a lovely holiday cocktail, one that everyone will enjoy, and I hope you try it soon, because if you do, I know you'll love it. Enjoy, and happy holidays.